Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Umaira Said, lecturer, English Times Institute, and today we are going to discuss the magazines and the types of the magazines. So this is going to be very relevant and the important topic, and you must have your pencil and the papers in your hand so that we may note down some important points. Magazines, oh what a beautiful thing, definitely beautiful, because it is a potpourri of an information, entertainment, fashion, even all the sometimes all the family you buy one magazines and they study the into different compartments, and every compartment reflects and captures the interest of one. I still remember when I was young there was Akhbar-e-Jahan, and Akhbar-e-Jahan still exists now. And whenever it comes at my home, my mother used to see the fashion. I used to study and read the short story books over there. My younger brother used to study the sports news, and my elder brother, who was more religious, he has a religious bent of mind, he read the religious news. My father has a political bent of mind, and he read the political news and the political stories and the political coverage which is being given in that one of the story. So it means that the one magazine was enough to capture the interest of all the family members, and yes, the magazines still exist. Let's study the origin. Like the first magazine was first published in 1663 by Monats. And what is magazines? Magazines are basically the periodical publications, not the daily publications. Magazines are the periodical publications that are published on the gloss, coated and the matte paper. It means that why I am focusing on the quality of the paper, that the usual newspaper, their printing, their publication, their structure, the makeup of the newspaper is entirely different from the magazine's makeup. And the quality of the paper and the pictures and all the things which have been used and which has been pasted in the magazine is come through the long way process. It is not a one day effort like many of the magazines published after every 3 months. Many of the magazines published on every weekend, and many of the magazines published after 6 months and sometimes yearly, but I haven't seen any yearly magazines. Many of magazines published periodicals after 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks, sometimes 3 months. So you would, when you would search, you found so many other magazines, and around the globe these magazines are very much important because they have an ample pages to cover the story on the political scenario, on the entertainment industry, sometimes on the educational sectors. You find so many detailed information over there. Many of you know that when you go for in some offices or in some shopping malls, you are sitting in the waiting room, you find so many magazines sitting on the one corner, placing on the one corner, and you pick out one of the magazine and just one by one you just pass those leaves of the paper and read and try to get the information. It is just to pass the jam as well. So magazines have the different importance. Let's discuss it. I have mentioned the 3 basic types of the magazines, my dear students. There are multiple types of the magazine, but here these are those types of magazines. The basic, you may say, the kinds of magazines are the popular magazines, the trade magazines and the scholarly magazines. So if I elaborate one by one, the popular magazines are those which are very much popular in the teens and among the women. You know, women, and the thing which you want to make more famous and more popular, make more audiences, more readers among the women and among the children. Popular magazines are the women magazine related with the makeup, with the dresses, with the entertainment industry, with the cooking recipes, sometimes with the social issues or the domestic issues. All these will be very much capture the interest and persuade the readers, particularly the gender women. The trade magazines are particularly for the men because they are more interested in trading, in earning money, in increasing in in their paper money, and they want to they want to know that where they can invest their money. So this is those trade magazines, and one of those is sports magazines as well. The scholarly magazine doesn't mean that those students of the literature or the people who are belong to literature. Scholarly magazines means the religious magazines, the religious periodicals, the political periodicals, and somehow with the mathematics related, literature related, Urdu literature related, and Siraiki literature. So these are the scholarly magazines. You would find number of the emerging stories in those magazines. So these are the type, and further you can divide the popular into the different genres, the trade into the different genres, and the scholar into different genres. Nowadays, as the world has become a global village, and the world is on a single touch. Like with the mobile phone, you can take the tour of the whole world. Now the people do not prefer to purchase the hard copy of a magazine of 200 rupees. They think that it is costly. What they do, that they subscribe some electronic magazines, and they read the newspaper on the daily basis. Many of the people are now losing interest in reading the newspaper. They think, which is might be wrong or might be right, they think that now 24/7 all the news are available on the news channel, and now in the mobile phone we can read the e-newspaper, then there is no need to purchase the newspaper of 20 to 30 rupees. But it is of another importance that the paper news are of more important and more authentic, and you can quote a reference, whereas the news in the air is like a flying arrow, and it may come into the wrong direction as well. So this is the electronic magazine. Electronic magazine is potpourri, and it contains all the ingredients which can capture the interest of the readers and the viewers as well. But it has some disadvantages as well. Maybe your net package is ended, and your mobile charging is over, there is no electricity. Then how would you read those magazines? So that is why I prefer to purchase the hard copy, and I hope that every one of you would be agree with me that purchasing the hard copy will that you may read it or somehow, and maybe some other time, or after 2 or 3 months as well. So I do not prefer the electronic subscription of the magazines. There are so many advantages of the magazines, as I am telling you one by one, that it is the potpourri of all the information. You may get all the updated information as well. It is the full range of the world. You may get the different stories with the entertainment industry, with the education sector as well. Even you may give a try to write by yourself as well. So this is the importance of magazines. How the magazines are the different from the newspaper? Yes, it is the one of the burning question nowadays. A newspaper have its own criteria of the news and the length of the news. They have their own makeup style. What is the newspaper makeup? We will discuss when we study the newspaper, and it's important. Newspaper makeup is that how to arrange the headings and some heading, which news is important to divide and compartmentalized into the 5 subheadings, and which news is most important to give the big heading. Whereas in magazines, it is economical. You may get all the news on a single platform. There is no need to purchase on the daily basis magazine. It is enough for 1 week. You are getting all kind of information over there. In the magazines, we have a creativity. We may include so many pictures on it. You know, a picture speaks louder than words. One picture depicts the 1000 word story. So you may watch the different pictures as well, and pictures may also capture your interest, and you may start reading that story. There are so many research stories, research available in it, and you may quote references by giving the citation of that newspaper. So this hard copy is of an equal importance of that, equal to the newspaper. Now discuss what are the different types of the new magazines available. Let me give you an example like the Style. In Pakistan, the Style 360 is available, Akhbar-e-Jahan available, Young Nation is available. The Nation is stapled their magazines on the Sunday. Dawn staple their magazines with the Sunday newspaper. Then there are the Vogue. Then there are some Reader Digest. Reader Digest is a compendium of different stories available in it, and women are so much interested in watching in not only watching but also the reading of the different episodes of that stories. Then so different men's health magazines are available, and sports magazines are available. The pink magazines, if we categorize that what are the types of the magazines, and the pink magazines are those in which you may see the stories and the pictures and the articles and everything related to the women. Around the globe, the magazines which are related with the women is said to be the pink magazines. Pink is associated with the color of women as well, so that is how it is said pink magazine. And what will be there? Women know there are some health issues, about their cooking recipes, about the brought up of the children, how to take care of the children, how to develop association and love with the family, about the cooking recipes, the dressing and the makeup, what is in the makeup, what is out in the makeup, all the stuff will be in the pink magazines. The scientific magazines, the National Geographic magazine is very much popular around the globe. You may read that and you would find so many amazing story and the novelty in that magazine as well. The sports magazine in Pakistan, there are so many sports channels which are offering their magazines as well, like the Geo, AOY and PTV, they have their sports channel, but there are few channels who are offering their sports magazines as well. In sports magazine you find the interviews and the lifestyles of your favorite players and the history of your favorite sports. Not only the cricket is the sport in the world, there are different sports like the soccer is there, badminton is there, so people prefer to read the news about those players as well. Professional magazines, there are multiple professions and all the professions have their magazines. I am related to the literature, I am the student of literature, so I prefer to read the magazines which have some scholarly articles and the emerging novels and the emerging writings and about the life of the authors as well. Teens magazine are very popular. You may see the comic stories, like when I was young I used to write in the Young Nation, that was stapled with the Nation newspaper, and nowadays the Young Nation has developed and increased their pages, and the children prefer to read the stories in the other languages as well. A teen also related with the cartoon comics and the short stories and the puzzles, the different jokes. You may add your children picture in it. So these teens are associated according to their needs and the requirement. It means that magazines are like the channels, are like the TV channels, like there are so many things which is related to your interest as well. So my dear student, this was the topic for today. In magazines you may include so many things as well.